So we've got more AQA wordy questions. Let's go through this one. So not the most wordy and not the standard type, just converting, but knowing when you multiply, when you divide, where am I in the question? Very important. So although it's 27, it's in the tough questions, it's at the tough end of the paper, it's only 3 marks. So there's not going to be a great deal to go and just got to make sure you do the right thing at the right time. So heel of a shoe, we're not bothered. What we are bothered about is and write it out. We've got £198 per square inch. And use any abbreviations you want to, no one cares. Convert this pressure into kilograms per, so just go with one thing at a time. It gives you a conversion, use it. So to go from pounds to kilograms, it's multiplying by 0.45. Okay, to go from pounds to kilograms. So let's do that conversion first of all. Let's times 198 times by 0.45. We're getting 89.1, but that's now in kilograms per square inch. It tells us that 1 square inch is 6.25. So this one now is going to stay the same. We're not touching the kilograms. We're asking ourselves, how do we go about 1 square inch? Let's change it into square centimeters. So our multiplier to go from 1 to that is we're going to times by 6.25. So that will be 6.25, but the inches has now become square centimeters. But now check the answer. It wants kilograms per centimeters squared. So it's ultimately wanting 1. How many kilograms for 1 centimeters squared? So that's why ultimately we need to be dividing this 89.1 by 6.25. So again, reach for your calcs. 89.1 divide by 6.25. I'm getting 14.256 kilograms per centimeters squared. Obviously, that last step, you could have shortened it, but I always like to explain why you're doing something and not just say, here's how you do something. It's just what you do. So again, knowing where you are in the question, one thing at a time, keep a left and a right going on, helps out with so many questions of this type. You've seen the questions before. Someone's traveling in a car. You've got gallons and litres, times and divide by 4.5 and so on. They're very common. Keep a left and a right separate. Say to yourself, am I timesing, am I dividing? And you get a much better idea of where you are in the question. Hope that helps, and I hope it helps on other questions of a similar kind. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.